herding cats. I've got a couple of them are having a little bit of trouble. There we go. We're good right there. I'm making sure we're getting going. I'm not sure who's got that Dodge there, but in typical Dodge fashion, it's a late starter. Not coming off the line. We didn't say that a lot, did we? Oh, you ever looked up Dodge in the dictionary? It says to shy away from. Just saying.
Come back.
What are you doing, Nick?
Oh, that's a good hit right there. I missed it too.
Houston, we got a problem.
Yeah, you did. Wait.
I see we got some co-riders down there.
Oh yeah, they got two in a
Think I could hop a ride in that, I wonder if that microphone would reach if I hopped a ride in the truck class tonight. That would be fun. I make myself a promise not to say the F word on the microphone, so I may not want to get in the truck class there. I got a feeling with 20 trucks in this track. Take a look at this track, folks. This track is going to be phenomenal here in a little bit. We're down to about 3 minutes, folks. 3 minutes out here on these kids out here playing on the Power Wheels, then we'll move to the lawnmowers. Lawnmowers, if you're not ready, you should be ready. Lawnmowers, bring them. You should be down here on the south end of the track. Well, we got these youngsters. We got Cooper, Royce, RJ, Landon, John, Ashlyn, Madison, Gavin, Sawyer, and Cooper out there running what they brought, wrecking them out there in front of you there. I don't know who's in that 82. Gavin, I don't know if I'm listening to him. I've seen him sandbag at a derby or two.
Excuse me.
2 minutes ago, about 2 minutes to go with those Power Wheel flaps right there. Ladies and gentlemen, we still got all 10 of them running. That's amazing, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can count. I had an extra finger and toe left over after I got done counting to 10, but it's okay. I can still count. We're going to go ahead and move on through here. Mowers, if you're not ready, you should be. Mowers, if you're not ready, you should be. You should be to the south end of the track and be ready to go, mowers.
Sorry now, let's skip that one.
Half left, about a minute and a half left on the Power Wheels out there. We're going to let these youngsters play and wreck them up a little bit there. Still running. It's amazing the batteries held up on some of these.
Where? All right. Yeah.
But again, we got about 45 seconds left for these youngsters. They love to come out and play. They love to come out and play. There's no two ways about these youngsters out there, folks. We get down to about 10 seconds. I'm going to have you guys help me count them on out of here. And the best thing you can do for these youngsters, ladies and gentlemen, like anything out there that supports these youngsters of this great country we live in, I need you folks to scream and holler. I don't care if you want to get out of your seat and scream and holler and stomp a little bit. You're sure welcome to. These youngsters are putting on a show out there, having a lot of fun. And like anything that we do, folks, these kids put on a show for you. They're going to be rewarded out there with a cool little trophy out there and have a great time here this evening. So, folks, if you all help me down, count them in from 10, 9,